Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my November Boxycharm box here for you today, and Boxycharm did send this to me as PR, so just FYI on that. Thank you to Boxycharm for sending this to me. So yeah, I've already done what I normally do for these videos, and I've opened up the box and tried out the goodies inside. So I'll be able to kind of just share some initial first impressions with you guys and some info on these products and just do a fun little Boxycharm unboxing. So yeah, if you are new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do these kind of videos, favorites, new at the drugstore, get ready with me's, reviews, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are doing an unboxing for November Boxycharm. So let's get to it. Okay, so the card says it's giving giftable glam. So that's fun. So first thing in here, I got a lip scrub. This is from Amina, and it's the Macaron lip scrub, and it retails for $18. It says it is organic and all natural lip safe ingredients. It smells just like a freshly baked macaron delight, and guess what? You can lick it off because it's made of real sugar. So cute packaging on it. It's pretty looking. Before I even read like what scent this was, I just smelled it and I thought it smelled like some kind of a yummy dessert. But I smelled like cinnamon or something like that in it. So then once I read, oh, it's macaron, and just, you know, looked at the packaging and read what it is, totally smells like a macaron. I mean, totally does. It's that dessert sort of smell, but almost you can smell like the crust or the I don't know, the cinnamon or something. It's good. It smells good. It works well as far as lip scrubs go. I think the color of it is cute. I really don't use lip scrubs consistently. I kind of use them very rarely, to be honest. But as far as lip scrubs go, I think this one did work well. Then I got a skincare item. This is from Saturday Skin. This is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This retails for $57, and it says a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. I think I may have gotten this in another box or something similar to this because this packaging looks familiar to me. I would need to go check. But anyway, I tried this one, and it seems nice. It is kind of a thicker textured sort of a cream, so it has a thicker sort of texture, but not overly thick and heavy feeling once you get it on your skin. It kind of feels a little bit lighter, like definitely not to the gel cream sort of level. So not that light, but not as heavy as a thick feeling cream. Kind of in between, I would say. And it really sets down on the skin nicely. So, I mean, I think you could even use this under your makeup if you wanted to. I used it last night. It does have these little something in them. When you put it on your skin, they sort of like break and rub into your skin. It doesn't feel gritty or anything, but it just, I guess it's the ingredients or something. I don't know, but overall I like it. And skincare, of course, you would have to try it more long-term to know long-term benefits, but texture of it, how it feels on the skin, I like that about it. Okay, next up, I got a lip product. This is from Sophia and Mabel. This is the Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil, and this retails for $22. It says, so you think you're slick? This lip oil gives you soft, glossy lips with no tackiness. It's lightly colored and applies to the lips like a slick, transparent oil with a fruity twist. Use it for a nourished look or in place of lipstick on days that call for a chill look. So mine says it is yuzu, and here is the packaging on it. Before I read the description on it and just put it on my lips, I was kind of like thinking about formula of it. So I have it over a liner. I have it over this Almond Rose from Maybelline. I definitely would say that this is a thick, tacky gloss, in my opinion. I mean, maybe it's more on the thick formula side than tacky. Maybe it's more the thickness that kind of makes it feel tacky to me. Doesn't feel bad on the lips. It just, you know, that's the kind of formula it is. I like all different kinds of lip products, so I don't mind this at all. But yeah, I definitely would not say it's a thin sort of formula. It's a thicker feeling, I would say more tacky feeling formula. And it is overall just kind of a mostly see-through, just glossy look to it. Maybe a very slight creamy peach sort of color to it, kind of like this, but it's more on the sheer just kind of clear gloss side. That's why I put it over a colored liner. Scent of it, yeah, like maybe a very light kind of maybe mango or something smell. It's not overpowering. It's really light and kind of almost undetectable. So if you are more sensitive to scents, this one's definitely more on the light side, at least this particular one that I got. Then I got a bronzer. This is from Less Beauty. This is their cream bronzer. Retails for $18. It says it is a new launch. And it says it is a lightweight creamy bronzer with a natural velvet finish that melts into skin for an effortless sun-kissed glow. And I got the shade Skyscraper. Here is the outside box. Here is the product itself. And this is really pretty. I am pretty picky about bronzers in general, especially cream bronzers, but I'm impressed with this one. I really like the tone of it, and I do really like the texture. I used a small stipple brush and just kind of like stippled it onto sort of the hollows of my cheeks. It blended very nicely. It was not patchy. I like the color of it. Like, I feel like in the swatch it's looking a little bit more warm toned, which when I first opened it, it looked more warm toned to me. But then in this lighting, it looks more kind of like neutral tone. But then the swatch looks more kind of warm toned. But on me, I feel like it is a really good, just kind of mid-tone bronzer with a good texture, nice pigmentation, just a good formula that blended in nicely, and I think it worked well with what I have on my cheeks. I like it. And the star of the show, my favorite thing in my box, I'm so excited about this. This is from Item Beauty by Addison Ray. This is the In My Element eyeshadow palette. It retails for $24. Here is the outside box on it. Here is the palette itself. So it's the In My Element eyeshadow palette. It says it is a blendable, buildable 10-shade shadow palette, a cosmic collection of warm shadows, cool neutrals, and star-dusted shimmers for a look that's out of this world. So it's a pretty kind of rose gold packaging. Here is the color story. There's a nice mirror in here. Look how pretty. So a row of kind of warmer shades, a row of kind of cooler shades. This is so good. I have this on my eyes, and I actually even have it on my cheeks as my blush and my highlighter. So I just combined those two as my blush, and then I used a little bit of this one very lightly, hardly any of it, on my brush as my highlighter. Ooh, so good. I have this one in my crease. I have this one in my crease, just a little bit kind of more on the outer corner, and then blend it over. This one and this one in my outer corner. What did I put on my lid? I'm trying to remember. I think I did this one on my lid and this one on the inner corners of my eyes. It's so good. It is so beautiful. No, I think I use this one as my highlighter. I use this one as my cheek highlighter. Yeah, anyway, it is gorgeous. Look at these swatches. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I love sparkly shadows like this. Love them. And these are beautiful. If you just lightly apply them, you get that little soft dusting of shimmer. But these have a really nice texture to them where they have a little bit of like a, they almost feel like a cream shadow kind of a formula to them, where I really was not getting a lot of fallout on my face for them being so shimmery. They were really staying on my lids very nicely, but then they build on themselves. The mattes are blendable and buildable. They're just gorgeous. I love this palette so much. I think the color story is beautiful. I love that you get cool and warm. It's amazing. I am so in love with this palette. Okay, so that's everything I got in my box. So I just added up the value and it's $139. So great value on this box. Overall, I like it. I mean, there's nothing in here I don't like, but I would say my favorite products would be the cream bronzer and especially the eyeshadow palette. This is like my very favorite. I love this so much, but I like the other products as well. So overall, really good box. So yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. I would love to know what you got in your Boxycharm or what you're excited to get. Let me know that down below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.